All right. This is an Asteroid Fight Club video for adults only. And I regret to inform you we have a full blown red alert situation on our hands, as Helene is now officially a Category 1 hurricane. And she is predicted to be a major hurricane, possibly Category 4. And Category 5 cannot be ruled out. She is giant. The wind field is massive. And she is churning and burning in the Gulf of Mexico. Right now, headed for landfall in Florida. Sometime probably Thursday. And Helene's probably going to stay at hurricane strength all the way through Georgia. Although it just says S here. Blake Matthews. Wow. Not often you see the entire state of Georgia, every county, under a tropical storm, hurricane watch, or warning. Even more bizarre, the west side of North Carolina. Wild. Helene is definitely going to be a beast. Speaking of beasts, there was a giant spaceship cloud, supercell, over Oklahoma last night. Everybody survived, though, so that's good news. Let's keep it up. The day one excessive rainfall outlook has been upgraded to a high risk across portions of southern Appalachians. Numerous flash floods are expected to be life-threatening. Never walk or drive into floodwaters. Turn around. Don't drown. Okay? Like I said in the video yesterday, some of these rain bands could bring some just super out of this world flooding. And then you've got to watch out for the storm surge. I was going to make a joke there, but this is not a joking time, especially when everybody's on edge about everything. But yeah, there is potential, especially with Cat 4, Cat 5, there is potential for just some unsurvivable storm surge in some areas. Matthew Capucci, the National Hurricane Center, is now projecting at least a high-end Category 3, but is considering upgrading their forecast to reflect Category 4 landfall. And as I said, Category 4 would be one tick away from a Cat 5. 16 hours ago, I noted that there was literally zero traffic anywhere in Florida. Well, that situation has changed. And like I said, personally, I wouldn't want to be there in the brunt of it, getting it on the nose, getting hit by a Cat 4, the flooding, the storm surge, the power outages. But I know some people can't or won't due to pets or protecting their home or whatever reason. I will pray for you. Jim Cantori, it cannot be understated the threat Helene poses across the southern eastern United States, just based on the current intensity projections. There doesn't appear to be any wiggle room on the downside either. This will be a historic storm for many, including southern Appalachia, with, where was it? Flooding and wind damage. Pray I'm wrong. I want to be. Be safe all and protect your family's property and pets as best you can. See, it's still over like 24, 30 hours from landfall. And you can see the rain ahead of it, the rain being pushed ahead of it. It's not even on the radar thingy yet. This is going to be big problems. Sorry, I'm not giving you a lot of attention up here. Northeast. Usually get it in the winter. And I just woke up after binging the first season of Industry. Yeah, but the yellow is over 20 inches. Some areas are definitely, I would say, are going to get over 20 inches. We are still with 30 hours out. This is quite a beast. It's a cloud covering giant surface area. It's going to have giant surface winds, wind field. Did I mention I just woke up? My brain's still foggy, I guess. Yeah, dude, that is huge. It's going to cause a lot of problems for a lot of people. So yeah, prepare for monster major Hurricane Helene. 7 p.m. was it 29 hours. So somebody said you have 15 hours to make your preparations from now. 12 to 18 feet of storm surge predicted in this area, which is when the ocean moves on to the land. And like 6 inches of moving water can knock a human being off its feet. Imagine what 12 to 18 feet can do. Remember, impacts will be well outside of the cone. All right, so stay cool, stay aware, pray for world peace and the safety of everyone in danger on planet Earth this week. And I will talk to y'all in the near future. And this is just a prediction. Nobody knows exactly where it's going to make landfall yet. Nasty rainfall for a lot of places. And then models suggest we're going to do this all over again in about 7 days to 10 days. So hang in there. God bless everyone. Talk to y'all soon.